Good morning. As always, fill out the Google form and watch this video to see your day. And remember, you could text or call with any questions. Then remember to check your schedule for the day and check things off as you finish. You're going to start your day listening to the read aloud. I want you to think about the message and what did the characters learn, and then fill this out. So, do you think they were surprised when they were cheered on? How do you think he felt when Turtle won? What is the lesson or the moral, and how do you know? After that, I want you to read this, the trade. Will you trade with me? What about a plate for a skate? All of this, and then fill out the questions. What does it mean to trade? Have you ever made a trade? Why will the author not trade a cake for a rake? And write one word from the story that rhymes with bake. Then you have your journal for the day, about self-awareness. So what word describes who you are? Go ahead and write a paragraph about that here. What describes who you are? Then you have an animal features research activity. You can use PebbleGo or Safe Search. Here is the login for PebbleGo. And fill out the next slide with your information here. So put a picture of your animal. You could do that by pressing insert and then image, search the web, and it'll insert. Then what is your animal? What type of animal are they? Amphibian, bird, fish, insect, mammal, or reptile? What is the height, the weight, the color? What is its skin like? What does it eat? Where does it live? Where are its predators and how long does it live? And 3 interesting facts in the habitat. Then you have cursive and then a suffix activity. So the meaning and give an example. Then extra math and then round. Today is rounding. So watch this review. Then you have this activity. So you're going to drag the correct number that's rounded. Then you have rounding to the nearest 10 bucket. So round it to the nearest 10 is 540. So which one of these? Rounded to the nearest 10 is 550. So drag some in here. And then rounded to the nearest 10 is 560. So which of these would go in the bucket? Then you don't have to place a check mark besides the correct answer. So which numbers round to 30, to the nearest 10, to 90, 470, 120, and 2,180. All of these are to the nearest 10. Then fill out these arrays. So use arrays to solve each multiplication problem. Mrs. Jones plants 4 rows of 8 flowers. So drag flowers in and then write the array. What times what equals what? Same for this one. And then today you have gym. Science for the week is what kinds of animals might there be in the future? So find that in Google Classroom. It's due Friday, and your book report is due April 30th. Then you're done. Have a great night.